everyone, Lori Whitlock here. In this video, I'm going to put together an impossible card. I've got a few new designs, and if you guys like these, I'll make some more. This one's a really cute puppy dog. It says, "Woof woof, happy birthday." Let me just kind of show you how this works. You can lay it flat for mailing, and there's an envelope included in the file, and then you just twist it, and it comes into position. It's really kind of a cool card. You could also push it flat to mail it and have it pop back up. If you wanted to glue these two pieces down, that would work as well. Here's another one. This one says, "Have a beautiful day." It's got a cute little mason jar on there. And again, this folds flat and twists nice and stands up like that. So we're going to assemble another one. This one's a latte card. Basically, you're going to see a piece in the file that looks like this, and you're going to take it and fold on this perforated line through the middle, and then it's split right here, and you're just going to take the left hand side and flip it around, and that is the card base. Super simple. It leaves this little tab sitting here that you can attach your pieces to. So in this case, we've attached our little puppy dog, and you could do all sorts of embellishments. This one has the little mason jar, so I'm literally just attaching it right to that tab. So this one will have our latte cup. Before we do that though, we're going to put our covering panels on. You'll notice one is facing this direction in the file and the other one is facing this direction. That's so if you use pattern paper, you don't end up cutting them backwards. So just make sure you cut them the way they are in the file, and we're just going to glue those down. I'm going to put a little adhesive on this covering panel, and there should be 1/8 of an inch all the way around. Just go ahead and put that in position and glue that down. Give that a good press and let it dry, and we'll do the same thing on this other side. And again, we have 1/8 of an inch, so just eyeball that all the way around. Okay, and on our latte jar, I have just layered the little top piece, the middle white piece, and the heart, and now we're ready to attach that to our little tab here at the bottom. So I'm just going to put a little adhesive across the bottom of that, and we'll just center that, pushing it all the way to the bottom so that when we fold it to put in our envelope, it will fit in the envelope. Okay, so now we just have our little Thanks a Latte, and I'm just going to attach it to the left hand side here and just kind of center it across that space. So I'm just going to put a little adhesive here on the left hand side and just kind of center it right in there so it bridges that gap and makes it look like it is connected. And we'll just put our little tab here on the back, and you can face that heart either direction, whatever you'd like. Again, I'm just going to glue that to the small side just like I did over here. So I'm just going to put a little adhesive right there and bridge that gap, centering our little tab. So that card is completely put together. Again, in order to lay it flat, you can just rotate it, put it in the envelope, and then when the recipient gets it, they would just flip that around. Or you could go ahead and glue those down and push it flat to put in the envelope as well. They'll just need to kind of prop that back up when they get it. So I hope you enjoy these darling impossible cards. I love their shape. They're kind of this hexagon shape. They each have these cute little characters and graphics on them. And again, if you want to see more of these, please leave me comments here in the YouTube video, or send me a message through my blog. I'd love to hear from you. Love to see what you guys create with these. I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.